Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today I am going to teach you how to run the 510 concealed inverter unit of LG. So this we press the power on button. It show us this unit is start now. This symbol of cooling. It's on cooling mode. So we discuss cooling mode, how to run the unit on cooling mode. This is our temperature. Up and down we can adjust our temperature, and this near temperature, this fan speed button is on low speed. Now you can see when I press it again, it will come to the second speed, and it's the third speed of the fan. You can adjust your fan speed from here. So this is about fan speed, and this is our room temperature. Room temperature is now 26.5. We just repair this AC because this is not working before. We have issue in the PC board. We change the PC board of this unit, and this is the symbol of outdoor unit. When this symbol came in our thermostat, it will show us that outdoor is on. Here there is no symbol this time. On this place it will become when our outdoor is start. When the compressor will start, this symbol will come in front of us. So we can wait for 3 minutes for this unit. The timing of this unit is after starting is 3 minutes, so we have to wait up to 3 minutes for the outdoor to start. So you don't be afraid that your outdoor unit is not working, because it will take time. It will take 3 minutes from the indoor PCB setting. There is setting in the indoor PCB, and it will show you after 3 minutes our outdoor will be start running. Then let's wait for the 3 minutes. We can see when it will start. I'll show you when the system will be start. I'll show you let's see this. The outdoor starts now. So 3 minutes complete now. Our room temperature is 26.5, and our set temperature is 20. I keep this on 20, and if you like to keep this on 18, a better temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Just we want to check this one, that's why I put on 18. These all symbols shown here in the thermostat. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.